Zylo ranking, Marky, where Yardie kill there?
If they're about somewhere, but hear what I say. Vision is a mission, not a competition. See, don't get in no division, cause I straight the thing set. You see, ecstasy 4x4, Birming-Veg we say, and when we say Birming-Veg, we say Birmingham, but we burn ham, so I veg we say. You see? Alright, that's right there.
So big up Vision each and every time. A world sound we say, Birming-Veg, that we say. Bless you.
Ecstasy 4x4, world sound.
What you say?
Ecstasy. Okay.
Hear me now. Video side light, bro.
One of them, boss.
Hear me now. Zylo ranking, come in on the light. Come in on the light. Hear me now. Hear me now. And the world sound. See, all who don't know about the world sound get to know the world sound. Because we have the whole of the UK lock up and pack up. New 2010, a different something. See, we take over the whole
Easy that lie. You see that brother there? Don't take him easy, you know. You see, Trevor Sachs can't chat to them man there, you know. Remember, I tell you, a real big body that thing, but hear what I say. Like the brother said, 2010.
Black, we are the one. He said, Ecstasy 4x4, the world sound, Zylo ranking. And me them say the killer, Yardie kill everything. That means I'm gonna take back talk. That means Marky G, the world selector. Saying DJ Prince to the world. Saying career gone. Set it.
And look out for Ecstasy 4x4 Music Limited. Cause at the record label, you know, at the record stable, you know. Excellent G production. Birming-Veg music to the world.
Yeah, man, everything good on the sound. Them can't stop the sound of that here. Everything good.
Hear me now, I'm going to tell you
everything.
I want to tell you about Swagger Fridays.
Oh my God, man.
Each and every Friday. See, Birming-Veg City Center. I will burn off the hammer for the thing. I want to deal with no pork.
Hold on now.
See, so it's a Birming-Veg.
I bite him up. See, world boss there. Father them up. Right there, sir. Yeah. I never try. I want to get right there, sir.
I want to buy the FBI. No. Hear me now, let me tell you about Swagger Fridays, no man. See, I want to check out the thing. It's happening each and every Friday. Check it out on the Facebook. Saying it's happening. It's all over the UK right now. Forward to City Center, Birming-Veg. Ecstasy, the world sound did it each and every week alongside the whole of the celebrities them. Saying, check it or wreck it.
Quite so.
That's what the thing there. Don't go around it. Ecstasy.
Ecstasy, me say.